Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Prater. And Prater is like a train station or a district or anything or something else, but it also is the huge Ferris wheel behind me. You see it? I think it's the oldest Ferris wheel in the world, and it's the one of the neatest and scariest. It takes two people to run it and operate it, but it's certainly a unique place. And it's also an amusement park here in Vienna, Austria. And so I'm going to go show it to you right now, and we'll go take a look and see what it is. But it looks like it has the cars almost look like a train car almost, full of people and stuff. But let's go do it together, shall we? Okay, I'm with you. Let's do it. And so here we go. So it really is like an amusement park, and it really is crowded and crazy. But you can see the Ferris wheel up there, and you can see the cars. I mean, they are enormous cars. You know, it's like, you know, the Eye in London, you know, those cars, Seth and I did that, and they were like crazy huge. You could probably get 50 people on each car or something. But these look about the same. I mean, they look like train cars. But anyway, let's go, I guess we'll go look and see. And it is an amusement park. I don't know that you need a ticket or anything, but we're gonna find out. And so you can see right in front of me it says Prater, P-R-A-T-E-R, and I don't know. Let's go look. What else we got to do? It's a Sunday and the rain stopped, and you can still see the puddles all over the ground and such, but and it looks like they're doing a marathon or something, a running, because this is all roped off. Yeah, how do you get to the other side? But that's what I'm here to film. And it looks pretty amazing, doesn't it? Look how big those cars are. And here's another funny thing. They serve like breakfast, lunch, and dinner on there. So each time you go around, they give you another course of your meal. So I think like you start off with an appetizer or something and some wine, and then it goes around, and then they take your dishes and then they bring you like a salad or something, and it goes around, and then you get like a main dish or something, and then it goes around. And then you get dessert, and then it goes around, and then you get the hell off. But look how big it is. Look how thick it is. I mean, it certainly is huge. It was made back in like I want to say 1886 or 1887, if I read it right, or if it was the right information, but pretty amazing. And so it's like this whole park. So, all right, well, let me walk around this park a bit, and let me see if I can get to the other side, because it looks like they board from the other side. They're doing a marathon right now or something, and so it's we can cross. Oh, you gotta wait. Oh, go. Oh, hang on. We'll wait. You gotta wait until the runners come. Now we get to go. Okay, here we go. All right, off to the races. And so Prater sightseeing tours, info point. Wow. Oh, they're celebrating the people finishing the run. I see. Very cool, very cool. Wow. Well, this is certainly a unique place. And look over here at the buildings too, how cute they are. And you can see the buildings and the like playhouses, I guess. Oh, they have roller coasters too. Wow. And then look up here. You can see the people on the cars. And I read like the top 10 facts of the Ferris wheel, and I guess at one point in time a guy rode a horse around it. So I think it was on the outside or something. I don't have any idea, but you can see the people in 22 sitting there. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, certainly crazy and unique. Wiener Prater, what? Oh, that's the Ferris wheel maybe. Well, let's go look in here real quick and see, because we're here for the Ferris wheel. Tickets. They're expensive, 29 bucks and such, but let's see what we get here. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, I'm not waiting in line for this. Wow, fast lane ticket exchange. Okay, well, let's go back outside. The highest point is 65 meters above the ground. Wow, okay. Wow, wow. Do they really have roller coasters like that? I guess they do. I guess it's a crazy place. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. And bumper cars. Neat, neat. And let me show you again the Ferris wheel. An interesting thing about the Ferris wheel is how thick it is. Usually there's like an axle in the middle and that's it. But these are like crazy wide. And I guess it takes 2 guys to operate it at any given time. Another fact I read online. I don't know. Amazing. Huh. Oh, look, they got water stuff too. How funny is this? Oh, wow. Well, it's not Magic Mountain, but that would terrify me. There's no curve. There's no lean on any of the curves. Do you notice that? So watch this car come around this corner. Yikes. It just throws you to the outside. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, well. Wow. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look up there at that thing. Can you see that thing up there spinning? Oh my gosh. So it's like a swing that goes up, oh my God, 20 stories, 30 stories. We'll have to go to the bottom of that too and take a look. This is, oh my gosh, look at the water on this one too. River rafting and the display, oh my gosh, wow. Wow, wow. Let's watch a cart come down this thing. Oh my gosh, there's one. Yowzy powsy. Here comes one right here. Wow, okay. Well, let's go to that big tower. That would be interesting. Oh, pardon me, little guy. Wow. Here's another interesting thing for you. There was no ticket needed. You just walk in, and I guess each ride is its own thing. Yeah, so this one's like $6 to get on that one. And then there's that street. Let's go down this main one and see what we get here. And they have toilets. It's $29.95 to use the toilet. No, I'm kidding. I don't have any idea. Oh, they got a penny crusher. I'm gonna have to come back for that. I need a penny crusher. Wow. I had no idea this is all here. Not one clue. Oh my gosh, look at these little jumping things for the kids too. Wow, look at that roller coaster back there. Wow. Wow, wow, okay. Huh. Okay, simply amazing. Not a clue in my life that this was here. I knew there was a Ferris wheel here because you could see it when I came in on the bus or the train, but I didn't know it was this big. And go-kart racers. Wow. You want to go ride the go-karts? And then what is this? Is this a rock climber? No, what is that? Oh my gosh. Huh. Sombrero Hill. That is funny. Look how far it goes down over that way too. And then it goes this way. We'll keep going this way. Wow. Wow. And look at that ride. What is that one doing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. Wow. Yeah, I ain't doing that one. You know, when that thing comes loose and it throws you 400 yards from the from the park and you land on your head, I guess you get what you get. I wonder if they have bratwurst and brochen. Wow. Okay, this place is actually enormous. Oh, and look at the guys over there in the building. Let's cross here. Oh, is this like a haunted house or something? Or a... Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that one too. Some pizza. Wow. It is huge. Watch the look on these people's face. Wow. Yeah, holy crap. You know, I'm not real brave when it comes to food, and I'm not real brave when it comes to roller coaster rides either. Wow, restaurants and all the people. This is amazing. Chocolate strawberries and chocolate bananas and big fat kebab. I love a good big fat kebab. You guys want a big fat kebab? Anyway, let's move on. More roller coasters. And again, there is no camber to any of those turns. It's just a straight up turn. Wow. Wow, let's go this way and see. So it goes way, way, way that way too. But we're going this way. Wow. Look at the guy up there on top too. Oh, now here's a real roller coaster. It's got flips and turns and the whole 9 yards. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's an Eric ride. That's not my speed. Oh my gosh. And there's that, look at that, that's a swing going higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. And about a quarter of the way up, I'd be wetting my pants about there. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, so this is Scary World or something? And look at the guy with the hatchet and his cut off feet and he's all bloody. Yeah, this is Kid World for sure. Wow. Okay, yeah, this is terrifying. And I don't know what the, okay. Wow. Okay, this is huge. Wow. There's an Eric ride. I hope the propeller turns. Wow. And a Haunted Mansion roller coaster. Dominic. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at this one over here. What is that thing? Oh no, look at the lady. Oh, maybe this is oh, never mind. We're not going to go there. And then look at that big tower back there too. Wow. Wow, wow. Cordon bleu. Man, when's the last time I had cordon bleu? Oh my gosh. Would you do that? Would you get up in a swing and spin around all the way to that height? Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, everybody, this is Prater Park. Oh my gosh. Look at the line for this one. Wow. Yeah. Oh. Now, if it went that speed, I'd be okay. Going faster than that, you know, when you're heavy, you tend not to jump in things that are weight suspended kind of items. God, it goes on ever and ever. Look at the slide over there too. Wow. And the bull. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yowza. Oh man, it keeps going. It goes on this way too. Let's go this way. Wow, I think half of Austria is here. Amazing. Zuckerwatt balloons. Oh man, I need a tub of this like I need, you know, 4 root canals and 3 teeth pulled. Jesus. Oh my gosh, okay. Wow. Wow, wow. Alright everybody, I don't even think I am halfway through this yet, and it just keeps going. Wow. Amazing. Thank you. Oop, where do we go? That way. Okay. Oop. We'll get across the road here. Huh. Wow. Alright, everybody. Oh, now cute. Look at that little fountain. And look at the magician and the wizard. Wow. Okay. Oh, and look at the nuclear power plant behind here. No, that's not a sorry, I didn't mean to alarm you. No, it's just a tower of some kind. But anyway, that's it. I'm going to call this a done video. Thanks, everybody. At least it gives you an idea of what you looked for at Prater Park. Absolutely crazy. And fun and exciting. And I bet the kids just love it to death. Very cool. Bye, everybody.